sautéed mushrooms. Just a few tips to show you how to do it the best way. You want your pan smoking hot. You're going to add your oil, but you want to make sure your oil's hot as well. Then you're going to add in your mushrooms. And this technique is called sauté. Sauté in French means to jump. So that the items in the pan, see how they can jump in the pan? That is the technique. So they need to be small, evenly cut so that they can move around in the pan. You don't want to have too many in the pan. You don't want to overcrowd it because we are going to look for a little bit of caramelization during that process. Quick little, we're just going to let that go a little bit longer. Yay, a little bit of salt, black pepper. So you might start seeing a little bit of liquid coming out now because the salt will pull out the moisture, but that's all right because that flavor will intensify. I'm going to turn it down just a hair. Put a little bit more oil in there. I like to see a little bit of a shine on them. So then we're going to add, in goes my garlic, a little bit of wine. You want all that to cook off. And I'm going to add in my thyme. And that is sautéed mushroom. I'm going to just put them in the dish. They're ready to go.